Jeff, wait.
He needs to look out for my Lambo over there.
Hey, Dad, can I go now?
Yeah, you can
No,
go.
wait for Jeff.
Start your car, it's fine.
No, wait for Jeff.
He's done.
Okay, he's got to be over here to here.
Okay, now do it.
That sounds healthy.